everyone, this is Sandy Reese with StampItCrew.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. Thanks for joining me on this lovely Saturday. This week we are featuring the Oh Holy Night Suite from the new mini catalog. And I showed you a project on Thursday. I've got another one today, but we're going to be using this bundle that's in the suite. It's called the Stars at Night bundle. And then we'll be using some of this great Shining Brightly Designer Series paper. So just a reminder that every order of $50 or more using the September host code this month will receive a free embellishment. So some of these items are still out of stock, but they should be back soon. So make sure to bookmark the blog post so that you can remember what products we need to make the cards. All right, so we're making kind of a fun fold card today. So I'm starting out with the Night of Navy base, and we're going to bring in our paper trimmer, and we're going to score, let's get that open, score it at 4 1/4 in half. All right, then we're going to cut the front at 1 inch from either side. So I'm going to take this one and cut it right here up to that score line. The trick is just seeing where the score line is, and we'll move it over and do 1 inch on this side. All right, to 4 1/4. And look over here so if I can see. Okay, that hopefully looks just about right. Okay, that's all we need with that. All right, let's fold this on the score line and give it a crease. Okay, then we're going to glue down just our two sides and leave that middle flap open. So we'll just use a little bit of seal adhesive, a strip on each side. And I'm just going to close this all down at the same time so I can make sure it's butted up nicely to each other. Okay, perfect. Now I have cut 3 pieces of this blue, navy, and gold star paper from the Shining Brightly specialty paper. And hard to see blue on blue. I want to get that centered. And I'll put the measurements on my blog. Don't ask me what they are right now. I won't be able to tell you. Okay. We'll adhere a piece down to each side. This is we used this fun fold before, but it's a fun one to do and not hard at all. Okay, now I have a 2 3/8 inch circle that we're going to stick on the front. We have a new punch that is this size. Okay, then I have a little 1 inch strip of the Distress Gold paper. This is super popular paper. Okay, we're going to put that there. Now, I have a piece of gold, and I want a big star die cut out of this. So I'm going to bring in, this is part of the bundle. It's a hybrid embossing folder. So we have dies and we have the embossing. And you can put your die in, it will die cut and emboss it at the same time. So I just add a little bit of washi tape to hold it in place. And then I'm just cut my gold to fit this big star. That's all I need right now. Just like that. Let's run it through an embossing and die cutting machine. So for this I can't speak. This thick embossing folder, make sure your fold goes in first, but you just need the platform and then this gray number 4 mat. And it goes in so nice and smooth, pops out. Look at how nice that cuts and embosses that. Isn't that beautiful? Just gorgeous. All right, we are going to pop this up right on the front. of our small center panel. So let's just grab a few dimensionals. We'll do one on each side. That'll be enough. Okay. Get that backing peeled off. All right. And we want to center this right in the middle. Okay. And then I'm going to add one of these stars here. I'm going to do a big one. I'm saving all those little stars, so I'm just going to do that. Okay, now we need to do some words. So in that stamp set, we have this sentiment that says, celebrating the magic of the season. It's a very long, thin sentiment. Now what I have done is I've cut this off. So it just says celebrating the magic, and then I have of the season separately. I'm going to show you why I'm doing that. Let's grab some navy ink. I'm going to do celebrating the magic on this piece right here. Okay, and then of the season, I'm going to stamp this on the inside. I'm just getting a little bit on that. Oh, I need my white piece. For the inside of the season. Just like that. So cute. Okay. Now we are going to trim down and cut this apart. So we're going to do celebrating the magic separately. I think I'm actually, let's just trim this down just a hair more. I don't think we need all that white. I don't cut straight normally, so it's not going to be perfect, but that's okay. If you want it perfect, cut it with a paper trimmer the size that you want it first. Maybe 1/4 inch. Looks like 1/4 inch. Okay, we're going to pop this up. I'm just going to cut a little bit off the side because it's pretty narrow. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. Make sure that's not sticking over the edge. Okay. So let's do celebrating right there, the magic. I'm going to kind of put that, align it on the right side. Celebrating the magic, and then we'll do of the season, but I think I want to, maybe we have this fun little star stamp. Let's see. Maybe I'll do these 3 small ones, only because that one's a little bit big and our area is not real big here. I'm going to turn it this way. And let's grab a little bit of wild wheat. I love wild wheat. It looks really nicely with the gold foil. Just do one on either side. Why not? Just go for it. But it's got a nice gold color. Look at it next to there. Very similar, so it goes really well when you're using the gold foil. Okay, we're going to adhere this right to the center of our open space. Cute! And we're done. That's it. And then it stands up like that. Love that card. I made a bunch of these for our card swap that I did in Las Vegas at the Stampin' Up! Leadership event. So, yeah, I thought they were really pretty. Okay, that's it today. Make sure to check back on Monday. We're doing one more card, different color. We're not using navy at all. And yeah, make sure to click subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos. And I will see you all Monday. Thanks, everybody. Bye-bye.